So they said that they needed their help, so let's become friends, forget all the hostility, and they would fight and get the nectar from the ocean, and together they will share it, so all will become immortal. Hearing this, Bali agreed, and with all the asuras they came to Mount Mandara. They started pushing it, but they didn't have strength, neither the asura nor the devtas, to push Mount Mandara. They pushed for some time and then they all became sick. Their bodies started aching, their hands started aching, and they didn't have any strength to push it. So they were thinking, especially Lord Indra, how to go back to Vishnu and take his help. In the meantime, Vishnu understood and he himself came on Garuda, and he helped all of them and brought the mountain to the ocean of milk. Then they started churning it with the help of Vasuki, using it as a rope. But as they were churning, the mountain started sinking. Again Lord Vishnu and Garuda went, and Lord Vishnu here as a turtle he came, and he put himself under the mountain and held it, and they churned the ocean. After some time, the pot of nectar which brings immortality came out, but it was brought by God Dhanvantri. He brought the pot of nectar. He rose from the ocean. Seeing that, they started fighting, and the asura won, and they took the pot. But they started fighting amongst themselves to drink the nectar first. Seeing this, Vishnu came in the form of Mohini, a very beautiful woman, and she said, "Give that pot to me, and I will distribute the nectar to all of you." So they stood in a line, one side the asura and one side the devtas, and Mohini, who was very beautiful, and all the asuras were charmed and infatuated by her, gave the pot of nectar and she started distributing. But she went first to the devtas and she gave all the nectar, did not leave a single drop of nectar, and by the time she reached the asuras, they didn't get anything. They got irritated, but Lord Vishnu before only had advised that no one should complain, so they did not show their anger to Mohini, who had turned now into Lord Vishnu. Finally, the asuras went after fighting, and Lord Indra got back the immortality, and they got also the heaven, so they went back to heaven. So this way, Lord Vishnu as a tortoise saved the devtas from the asuras. Thank you.